For this Suburban build, we need a stereo. The stereo that's in there is from the 90s. We had a company reach out to us, EONON, and they were willing to help us out with a Apple CarPlay compatible touchscreen single DIN DAC that we're gonna install. And it's right here, this little guy. So we need some tunes on the Hot Rod Power Tour. So EONON was so kind as to send us a new deck. So this is what we are going to install in the Hot Rod Suburban. There it is. Right there. So this is a touch screen. I'll show it to you here in a little bit and we'll do the full install on this deck. But this is a single DIN Apple CarPlay, has a backup camera, and we are going to provide you with an affiliate link. So once we install this, if it looks good to you and you're looking for a reasonable price Apple CarPlay unit, go ahead and click on the link below. I'm going to provide it to you in the description. And once this is installed and it's all good to go, you'll have the link. So you don't need to be stuck with your old CD player in your cars that are single DIN. You can get something like this. EONON, excited. So let's look at this. This thing all just came out, so it should be pretty easy to mount this in and then install it. We've got all of our wiring here, garbage, except for this thing. And then what's nice is we got our new adapter cables that I want to show you. Here's where the magic happens. It's exactly the same. It's exactly the same. So we just need to hook up the wires and go from there. Yeah, right there.
Plugs into there.
Plugs straight in. Okay, we got this thing all wired up for this stereo. We're gonna plug it in and see if it works. Okay, it's all plugged in. Let's see if it works. Oh, it's turning on.
Plug that in.
Oh, look at that. Let's see what we can do. Band. Okay, well. Radio. Oh, here we go. There we go. Android Auto, CarPlay. Okay, so this works. So we're gonna hook it up in the actual dash and then come back and do some settings. Bluetooth is really easy to set up. It prompts you with a code. You just go to your Bluetooth devices, choose the device, and put in the code. Wow. All right, I connected this to CarPlay. So now this has all the CarPlay options. Let's see if my Amazon Music works. Loading. Okay, library, no. Library. Playlist. Here we go. All right, so I'm able to play my music through Apple CarPlay. That's a big one right there. So if it'll do messages, yep. It'll do messages, it'll do maps. Ways. All of your audio settings are set up through an app called Your Car or My Car, and it allows you to set up your audio settings, your visual settings such as brightness, contrast, and anything else you need to dial in, your audio or visual preferences. Since this Suburban is a budget economy build, we decided to get some economy speakers. We bought 4x6 PYLE speakers for the front and 4x10-inch PYLE 3-ways for the rear speakers off of Amazon. We installed these speakers straight into the stock wiring harness. We used the existing wiring clips and soldered the new wires of the speakers straight to the existing clips. Overall, this is a good stereo that covers all of your bases. touchscreen, hooks up to your phone, allows you to have Apple CarPlay, and allows you to get directions when you're on the road. So if you are interested in a stereo that does everything that you need with all the settings to customize the sound the way that you want to listen to music, this is a good option. Click on the link below in the description. There's a $10 off code, AL10, and get yourself one of these, and it's not that bad to install. This is my first time installing a stereo, and as long as you get the correct wiring harness off of Amazon, you'll be fine. This model also comes with a backup camera, and I'll get that installed after the exhaust. And thanks to EONON for providing us this stereo to put in our Hot Rod Suburban build, so we have a great way to listen to music while we're on the road. Thanks again, EONON. And if you like this, subscribe and watch the rest of the videos on the Hot Rod Suburban.